things/rules to consider while creating relationships between assets and users. Keep it simple, number one. And then number two, make sure to use the correct relationship types. So you could actually create different relationship types when it comes to your assets. Really quickly, I'll show you what that actually looks like in practice. And it's basically this here. So if I go to my IT employee assets and I go to a relationship, whenever it loads, there we go. I'll pull up a laptop because I know these do have relationships. There's going to be a link on the right side, either a link or a relationship or something similar. And it's going to say things like type of, provided by, owned by. These are things that are managed in your schema settings as reference types. Keep things very clean and very simple because this is what's going to give you context on the actual relationships. So when you're looking at something and it's like a laptop and someone owns that laptop, you could say owned by, right? Or has a relationship to, or is managed by, or has a manager of, or something like that. That's probably my biggest tip here. Go into the reference type. This is done on a schema level and make sure that these are clean. You don't have like too many of them, but they make sense. And the moment that you look at them, you know exactly what that reference actually is. So that would be probably my number one recommendation here. Hey, real quick. Every company has goals and every company has tools like Jira, but almost every company is missing the middle. This is a system that connects your goals to the work your team actually does every single day. And without it, you end up chasing updates, sitting through status meetings, and wondering where projects actually stand. We call this missing middle the execution layer. And I recorded a free 90-second breakdown that shows you how the grid operating system fixes this missing middle. Links in the description below, and back to the video.